So what's the best packing list for a working holiday visa?
Keep it simple. All you need are your travel documents, meaning your passport, your driver's license, and your international driver's license, a copy of your working holiday visa. You will sometimes need a proof of funds, so you just have to print out from your bank account how much money you have. Some countries will also require a medical exam and biometric data. So make sure that you have all of those so that when you arrive to custom, you're good to go for your working holiday visa. And a little tip is that you should take a picture of all of your documents and send them to your email and have them store on the cloud. So like on Google Drive or on Dropbox, so that you always have a virtual copy, a digital copy of all of your important documents. In terms of clothing, I know it's tempting to want to bring everything, but make sure you don't overstuff your luggage because you're going to have to be carrying that luggage for a whole year and sometimes even 2 years. So once again, you want to keep it simple. You'll want to have a few warmer shirts, your swimsuit, a hat, a rain jacket. Think about a clothing kit for working out or for doing some sports activities. A kit for going out because you will want to go out and have fun with your friends. And lastly, something a little more smart so that when you go out on interviews, you look smart and fresh. The goal is to keep it to the essentials. So if you do have medications that you need to bring, make sure you have enough quantity and that you bring also your prescription in case you need to renew it while you're abroad. And aside from that, seriously, you can buy mostly everything while you're abroad. And you can also visit thrift shops because that's where you can get the best bargain for some of the things that you need. So that's all you need for your working holiday visa, basically. Is there anything that I'm missing? Make sure to write it down in the comments. And if you like this video, give us a like and don't forget to follow.